Hey, this is Dr. Dan from Odette and Corn Chiropractic again. Somebody asked me a really good question the other day. Had to think about it for a minute. They said, Doc, are you one of those guys that are you manual adjuster or are you a quick guy using the instrument? The only answer that I could really give her was yes. And that really is because it depends on a bunch of different variables, what we use and how we choose to adjust a patient. Part of that is based on the exam and the findings that we come up with and what, as a provider, we determine to be the best method to adjust you, the best, the safest, the most effective way. The other thing that we have to take into consideration is what are you as the patient comfortable with? Patients will ask me all the time, what is the best technique for adjusting people? And I don't mean this to be sarcastic, the best technique is the technique that you're most comfortable with. If you're comfortable, if you're relaxed, you're going to get a great adjustment every time. If you're tense, it's not going to go as well. So, honest answer to that question, the best technique is the one that you like. We have a lot of different techniques here that we're able to use. We do manual adjusting. Obviously, that's been around forever, very safe. We can use something like this, a drop table, where the part of the table pops up and we push that down, and that will help deliver an adjustment. We have something like this, which is called an arthrostim. This is a very gentle, very specific way, high velocity, low force way to do an adjustment. And then there's the old faithful. This is called an activator. This has been around forever, and this is a great, gentle, specific way to deliver a chiropractic adjustment. So, to sum up, yes, we have a lot of different tools in the toolbox here. There's definitely, we'll find a way to get you adjusted. So come down, get the exam, let's determine what will work best for you, and then go from there and get you feeling better. Thank you so much.